Before you can run payroll in QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to add your employees. Let's go over how to add your employees, including their personal info, pay rates, pay schedules, work location, and deductions. We'll also show you how to make this easier by inviting your employees to add some of this info themselves. To start, go to Payroll and then Overview. Select Get Started and answer the questions to help us get everything set up for you. Tell QuickBooks if you have paid your employees this year. This will help QuickBooks to accurately calculate payroll taxes and T4s. We'll select Yes for this example. Select Next to continue. Select your first payday here, then select Next. Review your primary work location and update if needed. Enter the name, business phone number, and email address of your payroll contact. Select Next. Next, select Start under Tell us about your team, and then Add an employee. Add your employee's name, email address, and hire date. If you want to invite your employee to QuickBooks Workforce so they can enter their personal information, tax, and direct deposit info themselves, select this option. If you want to enter all their info yourself, then select this option. Let's select Employees Self-Onboard for this example. They'll receive an invite to do this through QuickBooks Workforce. Select Add Employee. You'll see a window where you need to verify your identity by entering the 6-digit code sent to your phone. You can opt for a call instead. Enter the 6-digit code and select Continue. Now you're ready to add your employee info. You can start with any section. Since the employee self-setup is on, you won't be able to edit workers' compensation, emergency contact, and tax withholding. If you need to pay your employees right away or want to add the info yourself, go to Permissions tab and select Cancel Invite here. Let's start with the Personal Info section. Select Edit. You can update the employee's additional details like title and phone numbers. Select Save. Next, let's update the Employment Details section. Select Edit. Add your employee's status, hire date, pay schedule, and work location. All other fields are optional. For pay schedule, select Add Pay Schedule. Tell us how often you pay this employee. Let's select every week for this example. Then update when their next payday is and the end of next pay period. You can name this schedule. And if you want to use it for other employees, just check this box. The pay periods are the days you're paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 pay periods based on the info you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. If everything looks good, select Save. Now that you're done updating the pay schedule, you'll need to add a work location. The work location is the physical address where your employee works. You'll see the address you gave us when you added your business details. If your employee is based out of a different location, add the work location. When you're done, select Save. To update the payment method for this employee, select Edit. For this example, let's select Paper Check. Select Save. For pay types, tell us how much you pay your employee. Select Start. You can select from hourly, salary, or commission from this drop-down. For this example, we'll set up an hourly rate. Enter the rate per hour here. You can also add other common pay types like overtime or bonus, or pay types for other items like reimbursement or controlled tips. When you're done, select Save. Let's update the Time Off section. Select Start. If there's any change to the vacation policy or you need to add a new one, you can enter it here. You can also update the sick pay and unpaid time off here. When you're done, select Save. If your employee has any deductions like health insurance or retirement plans, loan repayments, and more, add them by selecting Start under Deductions and Contributions. Select Add Deduction Contribution, then fill out the details and select Save. Repeat the same steps to add your other employees. You've added your new team member. Nice work!